Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use custom fields in custom templates for Invoices plugin. In our example, we are going to use Invoices custom field as well as a contact custom field. Okay, so let's go to our demo server and log in with the default credentials that are admin. And now let's create the custom fields that we would like to add. Okay, so our first custom field that we are going to add is to be invoices. So we select the type of the custom field to be invoices, and then the format here is up to you, and as well as any other option here is up to you and in accordance with your needs. In our case, we are going to keep it to be text. Here we could say to be showing PDF, of course, use as filter, visible, editable, searchable. Alright, so our name could be additional invoice information. Okay, so let's save it. The other custom field that we're going to add is going to be with type contacts. Okay, so we set again here format text used as filter and searchable, and the name of this will be additional contact information. Alright, so we have our two custom fields already. Now let's go to the invoices and okay, pick for example the first one, and into this custom field additional invoice information we are going to add some text. For example, this invoice will be stopped. No, this invoice will be no longer valid after 4 years. Okay, yeah, just some random text. I don't know what this means, but okay. So we have a custom field and information added for this specific invoice and custom field. Okay, so let's go to this contact, which in our case is company, however still a contact, and add some additional information for this contact. Okay, so it is the Apple contact, and it will be, let's think, important company, for example. Please keep in mind. Yeah, just again some random text. Okay, so we save, and okay, so let's go again to the invoices. Yeah, here is our invoice. It has a custom field, and this contact has also the custom field. Alright, so let's go to the invoice templates and do some changes. So we go to administration on top, and then invoices, and then invoice templates, and we have a list of already predefined custom templates. Yeah, you could create your own custom template, but I'm going to use the CRM project custom template for our example. So let's see how to do the things. Okay, so the invoice custom field we are going to add it into below this. Okay, so we have invoice description, and below the invoice description we're going to have this. Actually, I have copied the contact information, so yeah, it should be this one. Okay, so the custom field of our invoice is this, the name of the custom field. We copy it and then paste it here. Okay. Alright, so let's scroll up and add the contact. Alright, just a couple of seconds to see where to add this information. Yeah, for example, here it is invoice contact name, invoice contact post address, and then we will have the invoice contact custom field. Again, to say this is just a simple example, so it is up to you where to add your custom fields into the custom invoice. Yeah, this is just for showing purposes now. Okay, so the custom field of the contact that we have just made is this one. We're going to copy paste it just to be sure that everything is fine. Yeah, invoice contact custom field, and the name of the custom field is this one, additional contact information. Alright, so we save the changes of our custom invoice template and return back to our invoice and refresh. Okay, so when we click on reports, then there is CRM project custom field, and we click OK and then preview. Alright, so we have now yeah, here is the text of the custom field. Important company, please keep in mind. This is printed here, and below the description of the invoice we have this invoice will be no longer valid after 4 years. Yeah, so yeah, both custom fields are printed successfully. Yeah, however, it is not well formatted here, but it could be done afterward. For this example, the important thing was that we have successfully printed the contact custom field into the contacts section here. That is, in our case, important company, please keep in mind, it is successfully printed. And the invoice custom field, this invoice will be no longer valid after 4 years. So this is also printed successfully on our template. So yeah, I hope this video was good for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.